What's up, guys? It's Chris with another restock video for Airsoft GI. Today we have the high-speed gear magnet dump pouch. It is not a magnet. It's a magazine dump pouch that is like a net, like a mesh guy. Kind of cool. We have this GoPro NVG mount, so you can mount that onto your helmets, your GoPros. Then we also have the KJW. There's a SIG 226 gas blowback. And we also have the Blackhawk CQC holster from Smith & Wesson for M and P. These are all the restock items. Check us out. Restock page, www.airsoftgi.com.